So we go to the chapter of trigonometric substitution. So we have three types of trigo substitution. Either square root a square minus x square, where we have to substitute the x equal to a sine theta. And then we have the second is the square root a square plus x square, where the x is equal to a tangent theta. And then we have the square root of x square minus a square, where x equal to a secant theta. So we have the question of integration of 4 over x squared plus 2 to the power of 3 over 2 dx. So we have to identify which type fall under this question. So x squared plus 2 will fall under the second cases, where we have the a squared plus x squared. So the a is a square root 2. So we let x equal to square root 2 tangent theta. So the x over d theta is a square root 2 secant square theta. So your ds is square root 2 secant square theta d theta. And then we substitute the value of x and the value of dx in the question. So you can see here I substitute the value of x, and then I substitute the value of dx. Okay. After that, we simplify the square root of 2 tangent theta square, where become 2 tangent square theta. And then here we have to simplify the 2 tangent square theta plus 2, where we put the 2 outside, and then it become to be tangent square theta plus 1. And then after that, we simplify to put the 2 to the power of 3 over 2 outside, and then we left with the integration of secant square theta over tangent square theta plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, so for square root 2 over 2 to the power of 3 over 2, integrate of secant square theta over tangent square theta plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 d theta. Okay, so to simplify this one, so you have to cancel 4 square root 2 over square root 2 to the power of 3. So here you can cancel the square root with the square root. And then here you have square root 2 to the power of 2 is 2. Then 4 over 2 you will get 2. So here is the secant square theta. Here tangent square theta plus 1 change to become secant square theta. And then here is the to the power of 3. So you can cancel the secant square theta square with the over square here. And then secant square theta cancel with this the bottom secant, and then you get 1 over secant theta. So from here 1 over secant theta is the cos theta. So integrate cos theta, you get 2 sin theta plus c. But this is not the end, because you have to find the value of sin theta. So we use the value of x equal to square root tangent theta that we have let the first step. So then from here we get tangent theta equal to x over square root 2. So we create the triangle where the tangent is the x over square root 2. And then you find the other side, where the other side is the square root x square plus square root 2 square, where you get 2. So from here you find the value of sin theta, where the sin theta is the x over square root x square plus 2. Don't forget the 2. So that's why the final answer should be plus c, because this is the integration.